If you've forgotten your Gmail password, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to log back into your Gmail account using Google's official account recovery process. This is the safest way to regain access to your account when you can't remember your password, and it only takes a few minutes if you still have access to your recovery phone, recovery email, or a signed-in device. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. This is Google's official recovery page, and it's the correct place to begin if you forgot your Gmail password. Once the page loads, enter the Gmail address for the account you want to recover, then click Next. Google will now ask you to enter your password. Since you don't remember it, look for the option that says Try another way and click it. This is where Google will start offering recovery options based on what information is connected to your account. At this point, you may be asked to verify your identity in one of several ways. The first option could be a verification code sent to your phone. If you still have access to your recovery phone number, choose that option and wait for Google to send the code. Enter the code carefully when it arrives. Another recovery method you might see is a recovery email. If Google offers to send a code to your backup email address, select that option and check that inbox for the verification message. Open the email, copy the code, and enter it on the recovery screen. In some cases, Google may send a prompt to a device where you are already signed in. If you see a Google prompt on your phone or tablet, open it and confirm that it's really you. This is often one of the fastest ways to recover access, especially if you still have an active signed-in device. Once you complete one of the verification methods successfully, Google will let you set a new password. Choose a strong new password that you have not used before. Make sure it's something secure with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Type the new password in the first field, then re-enter it in the confirmation field. After that, click Save to finish the process. Google will update your password, and you should now be able to log into your Gmail account with the new password you just created. If you're still having trouble, try to remember whether your recovery phone number or recovery email is up to date, because Google may only show the options that are available on your account. The key is to follow the recovery steps carefully and use whatever verification method Google offers you. And that's it. That's how to log into a Gmail account if you forgot your password. Hopefully this helped you get back into your account quickly and safely. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.